Yoruba people, don't be used. Tinubu must not be disrespected. Politicians must know and say what people need to hear. But a good politician is the one who has shown integrity through living what they say or promise. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been consistent in ingenuity and progressive ideology. You fault him somewhere, but definitely not in these two areas. If he is truly running in 2023, he is competently qualified. Dear Yoruba people, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu is your son. Anyone acting as if they are more sons of Yoruba than him are dishonest and mischievous. As a people, we have pulled down our promising frontliners in national politics for too long. This is what no other region of the country would never do or think. The pull him down syndrome of our people must stop. Whoever God eventually allowed to bear the torch running to the next presidential election in this region must be given total support. But even all those jostling for the opportunity must do so with a modicum of decorum for the sake of our unity as a people. Dear young and aspiring politicians, please don't antagonize Bart simply because his name has remained in the air for long. He has been in politics for long. He deserves the acclaim. Don't attack him simply because his proteges, who now think their ego is now flying on the same level with him, are asking you to do so. Tinubu made them, even if he cannot unmake them. You should know that what happens to those who beat the finger that feed them. Don't put him down because you think he embezzled money. He has paid his dues since a long time. What you see in him as embezzlement is investment. Your oga paying you to do the cheap blackmail are also stealing every day. They gave you SA and SSA without office and pay you from what could have been used to develop your people just so that you can be used for their inordinate ambitions. Asiwaju Tinubu built people. People, human beings, have always been potential doors of opportunities. Those opportunities are what has culminated as wealth and influence for him. Don't join in any sponsor of calumny against a man who made your boss. In the end, if your boss fall, where do you run to? You may not like him, but please don't go against him because somebody is asking you to hate him. I know some of you are blowing the air in the pipes according to the instruction of your master, but you must know that the tunes the people here are known to your own names. So that's it. Thank you for listening to this news. Well, you've actually spoken well anyway. What you said is the reality. You understand? There is no doubt in that. Tinubu made people. Tinubu has brought up lots of people. He has groomed and brought up. He has groomed and then made. You understand now? So many politicians that you know today or that you see today, many of them were made and prepared by Tinubu. The person of Fashola, Raji Fashola, that you know today, that you are giving more respect and you are appreciating, was groomed and made by Tinubu. Okay, Ambody was groomed and made by Tinubu. This other man, that is the present governor of Lagos State, was still made and groomed by Tinubu. So Tinubu has made a lot of politicians that you know today. You understand? So I know there is no doubt in that of a truth. There is no doubt. But there is one thing that you must know here. For the fact that Tinubu has made and groomed people doesn't mean that he should now be taken as the god of that place or that environment. Tinubu is seen as a god in Lagos State, which is not supposed to be so. I am totally against it, completely against it. Tinubu has taken charge and control of Lagos. It now looks as if that if it is not Tinubu, it can no longer be any other person. Is it right? As Jesus said that one person should be the king of the whole universe forever, leadership is rotational. When your turn comes, you utilize your own opportunity, then lead the other person to come in and utilize his own. So why are we now leaving the whole power on one person? For what reason? That is where I am angry. That is where I am against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Not that I'm against him as a person. I am not. Of course, he's doing what he knows best. He's showing them that he is a politician. Do you understand? He's showing them that he is a politician. But trying to take the whole glory and the whole power to himself is what I don't like. And that is what is causing the problem between the Igbos and the Northerners. You will see that very soon, Lagos State will start experiencing separation. There will be separation of power in Lagos State very soon. Very, very soon. Some persons will start saying, is it only Tinubu? Is it only Tinubu? You will see that now very, very soon. Very, very soon. Just a question of time. Everybody will see it clearly. You understand? So what are we saying? Why must we give all to Tinubu? Why must we? He groomed people to be leaders of the country. You know, so just like him too was also groomed. He was also groomed. He never fought from heaven. We are all the same. You understand? So what's the problem? What's the problem? So, my dear, no one is against Tinubu. No one is against him. But what belongs to people should not be denied by Tinubu. Tinubu should not take what doesn't belong to him or what belongs to the other person. I was saying it that Tinubu has cunningly extorted Nigeria as a whole, most especially Lagos State. He has extorted Lagos State to the extent that he has made himself the land of Lagos State. Tinubu is the greatest landlord in Lagos State. He is the major property owner in Lagos State. Don't be surprised that Tinubu is a shareholder in Dangote. You don't know this man. I know him. He's too wise. He's a tortoise. Tinubu is a tortoise. Even if Tinubu doesn't mount any office in the next 20 years, Tinubu will still remain the richest politician in Nigeria. I am telling you. Okay, look at all his property that was destroyed during the EndSARS protest. Yet it didn't shake him because he still has times 10 of that property. What he has laid on ground is enough to give him times 10 of what he has lost. Do you understand? So I want us to be understanding things in that angle. So, my dear viewers, I would really appreciate it if you two can come in and say one or two things about this man called Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You understand? So it won't look as if everyone is against him, because that's how it's looking now. You understand? So please, I am calling on you, my dear viewers. Do me free to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.